G'day. In last week's video, we looked at what binary was and why computers need it. Today, we'll build an 8-bit binary calculator using Excel. Let's begin by opening Excel to a blank sheet. Now we're in Excel, we're going to place the place values for the binary in one column. I'm going to start down a little, and I'm going to start with the 1's place value, then the 2's, the 4's, 8's, 16, 32, 64, and finally the 128th place value. So these are my place values, and I'm going to have over here where Excel is going to calculate the value of these 8 bits. So each one of these would be one wire coming in, and each one of these could be a 0 or a 1. So in this column here, we will be putting 1's and 0's to represent our binary number, and we will have Excel calculate what those 1's and 0's add up to, and then we'll get the total number down here. So we'll just make a number up to start with, so we'll just go 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now at the moment it's doing absolutely nothing to help us, so we need to multiply our 1 or our 0 by the place value, just like we would in the normal decimal place values. So in this box, I simply want it to equal this cell multiplied, and remember in Excel multiplied is the asterisk, by this button, this cell here, and I'll give that a tick. And 0 times 1 is 0. Now I could go along and put that in every box, or I can simply click on the one I've got correct, grab the handle at the bottom, and zoom up and let it do the calculating for me. So now it's calculated all the way across. At the bottom I will do a total, where we will find out what that binary would be. So to do a total, I'm going to go equals sum, open and close my brackets, click back inside the brackets, and now I'll select everything it's going to add up and tick. So that would be 0111010 would be 114 in decimal numbers. We can pretty this up a little bit by putting some of our borders around. We might put all borders in. We might also put a thick border around the outside. Same with this one. We might colour these ones green, and these ones will do another colour, and I may as well do these a pretty colour as well. Let's make them an orangey colour. So as we change the binary number, our total will change down here. So for example, if it was 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, that would give me a total of 294. The biggest, I've got a 10 in there, that can't be right, I can only have a 1 or a 0. So it would be 150. The biggest number I should be able to make here is 255. So if I put 1's in every cell, I should get 255. We'll just check that's going to work. And we do have 255. and all zeros of course would be zeros, giving us a total of 256 possible digits.